In machine quilting circles, you hear the terms free motion and digital and pantograph bandied about. What do those terms mean? And if you're new to machine quilting, how would you know which one to choose or which one you want to start with or where you want to learn? I personally absolutely love free motion quilting. So I'm bringing to you, with no bias at all, my 17 reasons why I love free motion quilting. They're not in any particular order, very informal, but I have put a few of my top reasons at the beginning and I saved my best reason until the end. Before I start down the list of reasons, let me just define the terms a little bit so that you know what I'm talking about. When I say free motion quilting, that means that it is being done as though it were doodling or drawing. There is no pattern. So it could either be you're sitting at a sewing machine guiding the fabric, free motion, right? There's nothing pulling it or pushing it. It's